Now various federations here in Pahalgam, various worker groups, various shopkeeper groups, taxi driver groups are all part of the protest here. This is the state BJP. The person behind me in the suit is the vice president of the J&K BJP, and they say they've come here to offer solidarity to the tourists who are still coming into Pahalgam and to give them a promise that they will be protected at all costs. Well, remember, there are lots of questions for the ruling establishment that are still unanswered, but the people here want to offer solidarity to those whose families were lost and those whose families who are still in mourning, the victims. There's another one that's just crossed us down that road, and we'll try and catch up to it because there are many locals there. Obviously, some of these protests are by political parties. Many have actually been coming here since then. But if you look at the streets of the Pahalgam main market, some shutters are still down, but it's very heartening to see that many of the shops are actually open today. There is a sense of, a slight sense of positivity in the air and wanting to return to normal. But once again, I remind all of our viewers to remember that we must never lose focus of the tragedy of what happened, the dire implications of the fact that local support had to have been in place for the terror attack to take place, the hard questions that must be asked in terms of security lapses, any other intelligence failures. All of those will remain in the air. But the people of Pahalgam, I can tell you since I'm here, I don't see anything artificial in what's going on. The people here are furious. The people here are sorrowful. They believe that a few overground workers and traitors, as they're calling them Gaddar in public, it's never happened before, is something that everyone needs to look at. Kashmir observers will be able to note that this kind of support for India perhaps has never been seen in public before. And this is one of those protests where you're actually seeing that happen. So this is another group here in Pahalgam, raising the kinds of slogans that perhaps people have never actually heard before from locals, except in such an overt manner. Something has changed in Pahalgam, and that's what we're actually seeing here from all of these people. Let's get into the middle of this crowd. Actually, sir. इसमें क्या लिखा है भाईजान?
इसमें लिखा है गुज्जर बकरवाल कमेटी। हम गुज्जर बकरवाल लोग यही कहना चाहते हैं, जिस किसी दरिंदे ने भी ये हरकत की है, ये इंसानियत के खिलाफ है, इसको उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए।
So communities across the board, including the Gujjar Bakarwal community, all saying the same thing. They support the action against the terrorists and the Gaddars that are happening here. Bilkul. Let's get some more voices.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हिंदुस्तान मेहमानों का कत्लेआम, मेहमानों का कत्लेआम, टूरिस्ट हमारी, हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान, टूरिस्ट हमारी, मेहमानों का कत्लेआम, मेहमानों का कत्लेआम।
भाई आपका नाम क्या है? आपके मन में क्या है अभी?
मेरा नाम मंसूर अहमद है। मेरे मन में यही है कि हमें जो ये सदमा हुआ है, इसका हमें बहुत ही अफसोस है। जो ये हमारा टूरिस्ट लोग मर गए, ये उनकी जानें नहीं गई है, ये हमारी जानें गई है। कि ये जो हुआ है इसके पूर्व मंजर तो हमें होनी चाहिए कि ऐसा जो हुआ है फिर से ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। कि जो हिंदुस्तान की आर्मी है, जो भी है, उसके साथ छाना बेछाना हम खड़े हैं। हाँ, जो भी हमारे साथ आज तक हुआ है, आइंदा इसके बाद हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
ये जो नारा आप लगा रहे हैं अभी कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं,
हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी और इंशाल्लाह हम रहेंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
और आप पाकिस्तान को क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
पाकिस्तान को यही बोलना चाहते हैं, अगर पाकिस्तान में जिसने भी ये दरिंदा ये बात की है कि इनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए। टूरिस्ट हमारी, हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान।
This really speaks for itself. You can hear the words that are being said. I don't even need to interpret them for you. There is no exaggeration to say that these kinds of sentiments being expressed openly in public in this manner by locals is practically unheard of. It's never happened before. I've been traveling to Kashmir for years. I've been here during conflict situations and uprisings as well. And this kind of thing has never happened before. If there was any further proof that a red line has been crossed, people like these are actually that. And they don't belong to any political party. They're all community groups and those with skin in the game from a prosperous Pahalgam. It's proof that there were some who did help those terrorists, but the people here have cut them loose. They are angry and they want to know who they are and they want them completely destroyed. In Pahalgam with Ashwini Mehra, Shiv Arur, NDTV.